412 kilometers an hour, 258 miles an hour is the third of the speed of sound. I mean, I've driven Nevera since the first wheel spin. It's really an emotional experience for me. And today we broke the world speed record for production electric car. To have everything in one package, to have a car that can travel long distance, a car that's really agile on the track, a car that can drift, but also can reach extremely high speeds and be very, very stable at 412, that's a very, very huge achievement.